An easy DIY you can do using items from the Dollar Tree. You can customize this however you want. I'm using a planter from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to use the bottom part of it. You could use a Dollar Tree vase, but I have this one that is bigger and fits really snug in there. And I actually got that for $2 at a closeout center. And then I'm using the Hot Wheel tracks from the Dollar Tree. So you can do this a bunch of different ways. You can do it like this, have it really cute. You can decorate it how you want, but I'm just going to use the two in a different way. I'm just going to use it on one on each side as opposed to in four sides. I'm going to take a lot of glue. You can use a heavier glue too, but I'm just taking the hot glue because it is quicker to use. And then I'm clamping it down so that it dries nice in place. I did the other side, and then I'm going to measure out how tall I want mine to be. So you can put your bars back in to see how long you want it to be. And then you're going to make sure you have space for the curvature. And then you can just cut these off with a pair of scissors. It's real easy and real simple to do. Once you have it cut down to the size that you do want it, again, I'm just using hot glue. You could use a different glue, but I'm going to do that and clamp it together so that it dries. Once everything is nice and dry, I spray painted the whole thing black. You could use a different color. You can do so many different methods on this, but I'm just doing it like this. You can put a cute little ring up top of here, but I'm just going to wrap mine in twine. I got this from the Dollar Tree also. You can like put cute beads around the top of here. You can do so many different things. But I wrap that in twine, and then I'm going to wrap the bottom in twine. I'm just going to wrap the outside of it because my vase is nice and snug. If I was going to be using the Dollar Tree vase, I would wrap the inside too because you would be able to see it. But the shape of my vase, you don't really see it. So I just started out hot gluing it just to get it in place. And then I'm going to hot glue around the top, but I don't have to keep hot gluing as I go down because as long as you do it snug enough, it's fine. You can just do it every couple pieces. I put my vase in. And this is how it turned out. It was so easy, so simple. And like I said, you can glam this up. You can do this so many different ways, but I just wanted to keep it nice, simple, kind of clean and modern. And I used all items from the Dollar Tree.